Oh, Lily's trying to drink from her sippy cup. There you go, doll. Ready? You gotta hold it, though. If you don't hold it, it's gonna fall. Oh, did you see the camera? Here, you got soup on you. Nah. Ready? Bring it to your lips. You can do it. Oh, come on. I want to help you so bad. Oh, man. All right, ready? Try that. Good girl. Now you're going to lift the bottom up like that. Oh, Mom, you weren't much of a help. Sorry, doll. I'll get it. Oh. Okay.